Hey guys, welcome back to Some Crypto. In today's content, we'll talk about XRP on a macro level. It is June 14th, 2023. The current price of XRP just about like 50 cents. Okay, so we'll take a look at XRP on a macro level so we can try to figure out what type of price action we could be getting over the next like a few months, especially the second half of 2023, because we tend to see bull market, okay, starting like the year of the halving of 2024 going to be sometime in Q2 2024. So most likely XRP going to be following the overall trend after the halving. So what type of price action we could be anticipating over the next like a few months, over the next like a 6 to 9 months, right? So if we take a look at the monthly 21 EMA, it has been our constant rejection or even support area if we basically getting a downtrend, right? So you can see right here, back in August 2020, after the halving was like May, June 2020, you can see XRP shoot up to the monthly 21 EMA and basically consolidated for like a 3 to 4 months just to wait for BTC to break above all-time high for XRP to basically shoot up to the upside. Okay, you can see that's the move we had, almost like 177 pump in 1 month. Okay, but we got the XRP FUD, the lawsuit and all that good stuff. Price action dump back down to retest the retest the support and all that good stuff. And at the same time, right here back in June 2021, after we got the market top somewhere around like a 190 to $2, we came back down to the monthly 21, consolidated right here in Q1 also 2022, before coming down to a 50.618 pullback around like a 31 to a 29 cents. So what we're seeing right now is another rejection from the monthly 21. Okay, it is not a good sign for the XRP bulls, and it is a great deal for the XRP bears. Okay, so what does it mean going forward? It means like in terms of indicators, okay, simply in terms of a monthly 21, XRP is in a pivot point and it is likely to struggle if we don't see enough volume to push the price up. XRP likely to struggle to break above the monthly 21 EMA. I'm not talking about like breaking out above it like a 5-10%. I'm talking about like moving up to like a 95 to a $1 range, right? Because sometimes some of these high market cap, they can stay around a monthly 21 EMA long enough, okay, for a very long time, just like Ethereum or like a Matic. You can select Matic. Let's take a look at Matic really quickly. If we take a look at Matic, you can see like how Matic was consolidating around the monthly 21. You might be saying like Matic is bullish, but it was just a consolidation on the monthly, around the monthly around the monthly 21 EMA on the monthly basis. And at the same time, you can see like Matic is printing a curvature on our MACD, showing like a strong pressure to the downside could be taking place over the next like a few weeks or even like a few months, because we're talking about the monthly basis. Okay, so Matic 31 cents, it is going to be the support. That was our last June support, and after that we got the 13 cents to a 15 cents support at 50% pullback, right? But if we go back to XRP, you can see like constant sideways correction around the monthly 21 EMA. Cannot just get a big breakout above it, just by like 5, 7, 10% move around the monthly 21. So since like we're getting a major resistance level right here, just by like a 55 down to a 50 cents range, we could be saying like a possible triple bottom could be on the way back down to a 31 to a 30 cents area. Okay, that was our June 2022 lows, right? Just by like a 31 cents on average. So if we retest the lows 31.29 cents area, we could be speculating for a possible triple bottom. Okay, even though it is a, we'll talk about the flat correction. Even though it is a flat correction, so it is still a strong bullish support, right, for the bulls to basically trying to defend the 28, 29 up to 31 cents support area at 0.608. Okay, however, let's take a look at it for a more bearish outlook. If we take a look at it on a monthly basis at the same time, right, you can see we do have a triangular formation right here at the top, right? This was a clear triangular formation. Price action was making lower highs, constant support right here, basically printed a triangular formation, Leroy. If you do a swing high down to swing low and you connect it, right, you can see like we could be headed back down to like 0.786. okay, but once again, it is a monthly time frame. Okay, so it is not going to be a direct shot all the way down to a 0.786 at 20 cents to 19 cents area, give or take. Okay, 21 to 19 cents, right? So before even like projecting that low, we can also take a look at it in terms of flat correction, right? If you do a swing low, right, just about like a 29 up to 55, back down to 29, back up to 55, you can see like it is what, a flat correction. Okay, and a flat correction, if the trend it is still bearish, you could look at your flat correction as a continuation pattern. However, that's what I just tried to insinuate, right, saying like we could get the triple bottom. However, if the triple bottom fails, we could consolidate right here and basically complete the one-to-one extension we just discussed right there. Right, that's a major move, right, of the triangular formation. So this move right here might not be done yet, right, because we consolidated right here, but we'll basically take a look at it once again. Once we hit like a 29.31 cents, we'll see if on a weekly basis, on the 3D basis, if we're going to get some bullish pattern like divergences and all that good stuff for the monthly time frame to find a permanent support at 31 to 29 cents. If not, it could be shooting down to 19 cents to 21 cents area. The bullish move is like, for whatever reason, right, we do get a breakout above the monthly 21, the one-to-one extension of the flat correction, right? If you do a swing low 31 cents up to a swing high just about like a 55, if you extend it to the upside, right, it'll take you right around like a 95 to $1 range. Okay, basically 90 cents to $1. But as of now, since like BTC is correcting for its wave 2, it is going to be quite hard for XRP to outperform BTC within the next like a few weeks or even like a few months. All right, so let's take a look at XRP. But for whatever reason, okay, we get a bullish move, you could be saying like, okay, bulls could be in control up to 95 cents, and this moved back down to 31 cents going to be invalidated and all that good stuff, right? So let's take a look at XRP BTC really quickly. So if we take a look at XRP BTC, major resistance at the monthly 21 EMA right now. Hopefully, bulls going to avoid closing the monthly with a doji, right? Meaning like this kind of closing just as it is, right? Or even closing red. If it closes red, that'll be even worse. Okay, so we don't want bulls do not want the candle, the June candle, right? June candle, right, to close bearish. Okay, closing below Leroy, closing below 18.86. okay, just about like 18.58. okay, 18.58. We don't want to close below 18.58, right? So closing above 21.50, that'll be very bullish, right? But as of now, XRP is struggling, right? So we'll see if it'll be able to close above like a 21.60, right? So if we go back to a XRP USD, what I was trying to explain to you earlier is like XRP doesn't break out, right, till BTC breaks above all-time high. Even like Dogecoin, I explained it multiple times. Most of these alt, okay, I would say over 90% of the alt will not break out from their lows, right, until BTC breaks out above all-time high. So we can even, you know, visualize it on XRP, right? I'm going to show you very quickly what I mean, right, Leroy? So you can see right here back in April, right? Back in March, April 2017, that's when BTC broke out above all-time high, right? Q1 2017. And what happened with XRP, you can see that we shoot up from like 0.005, right, all the way up to $3 in less than 9 months, 10 months, right, in 3 quarters. You can see right here, after BTC broke out above all-time high, November 2020, you can see XRP started to shoot up. But what happened? We got deferred, and you know, people started to panic. You know, everyone dumping the XRP and all that good stuff. Price action dumped back down to the 18-15 cents, but still managed to hit almost like a $2, 195 to a $2 range. Okay, so it means like over the next like a few months, okay, we could expect the same pattern to be repeated. Okay, but the problem is, excuse me, for the bulls is like you just don't know when XRP will basically bottom. It could bottom at, you know, 31 cents. It could bottom at 15 cents to 10 cents. We just don't know exactly, because in terms of wave analysis, it is actually very complicated right now to assume, okay, this move is done, because the move could be a double bottom before the next wave to the upside. We just don't know if the bottom, you know, for the bear market is, you know, 30 cents, right, give or take, or if the bottom going to be around like a 15 to you know, 10 cents, because both patterns are pretty valid. You could look at your wave 2 being right here, or you could look at your wave 2 being right there. Okay, but I just want to add one more thing, okay, which is the most bearish outlook for XRP. I'm not saying it will play out, but it is something like we just have to have on the background. This way we're not going to be surprised regarding anything, right? It is not to the upside, Leroy, it is to the downside, right? So to the downside, okay, we could get a zigzag formation like that, okay, down to 0.618. Remember this move right here down to 10 cents, we talked about it back in I think 2018, 2019. We said like we could be coming down to like a 10 cents at 50% pullback, right? So below 50% pullback, what do we have, Leroy? We got 0.618, right? 0.618, it is right around like a 5 cents, 6 cents area. Okay, I don't see it happening right now because we just don't have enough data to say that, okay, we're going to shoot up, but we do have a pattern. So it is something that we just have on the background for the most bearish outlook for XRP. Okay, and the most bullish outlook going to be a move all the way up to $10 to a $15, right? But we cannot either, okay, talk about like a $10, $15 and all that good stuff. We got to find out if we already, you know, found our bottom, or if we're going to be bottoming within the next few months. Okay, regardless of how high XRP going to go, you know, $8, $10, $16 and all that good stuff, I don't think it will do it until BTC breaks out above like a 70k. Okay, so if for whatever reason we find like XRP around like a 15 cents, 20 cents, while BTC breaking out above 70k, you're gonna be like, it is time to shoot up. Even if we find XRP around like, let's say 85 to $1 before BTC breaks out above, right around the time BTC breaking out above 70 cents, that's what I mean, okay, earlier, right? We're going to be like, oh, it is time for XRP to shoot up possibly to like a $10 to $15. Okay, but we'll take a look at it. This is not a target immediate. It is not an immediate target. Okay, the 5 cents, it is not neither an immediate target. These are macro. Okay, it is just speculation, not even target. The only thing I'm looking for in the short to medium term, it is like the 30 cents area and possibly the 15 cents area. Okay, and within the next few months we'll take a look at it again, right? Because if we try to shoot up, you know, be bearish, okay, shoot up, be bullish, okay, Leroy. If we try to shoot up to the upside and be extremely bullish, and we, you know, price action decides to basically move sideways, it is, you know, it is going to be very challenging for most bulls, of course, right? Because you just don't know if the bottom is in or if it is creating a bear flag, right? So let's take it step by step, right? 30 cents, you know, possibly 20 cents and all that good stuff. And if we break out above 60 cents, we could be saying like, you know, 95 or even like a $1 range. Okay, but my bias is like the trend is bearish right? Because BTC is looking to find its wave number 2, right? And once BTC finds its wave 2, we could be saying like, okay, XRP could finally go up with BTC and all that good stuff, right? All right, guys, hopefully it is clean, clear, and ready to go. Thanks a lot for watching.